Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we'll teach you how to convert Excel to PDF. There are various methods on how to do this. If you're interested to know, keep on watching. First method is print to PDF method. So this is our sample Excel file. The first thing that you need to do is click on the File tab. Then find and click on Print. Now this method doesn't need an actual printer, although the print settings are used here to create a PDF file. Under Printer, you need to click on this box, then select Microsoft Print to PDF. And then click Page Setup. And ensure that you have selected Print Quality, then click OK. Next, click Print. And create your preferred file name, then click Save. And that's it. Another option to convert Excel to PDF is the Save As method. Once you have already selected the worksheet you want to convert to PDF, click File tab. Then select Save As. Choose whatever location you want to save it in. Enter your preferred file name. Then click this drop-down and select PDF. Next, click the Save button, and that's it. Another option is Export as PDF. Just click on the File tab, then click Export. Click Create PDF, and click on this. A window will open. It's basically similar to the Save As menu. Choose a location for PDF, then enter your preferred file name, and that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.